Applicability of retail banking. Retail banking spans across implementation models, business process structure, product and process models, etc. The implementation model depends on the product range, process requirements, technology preparedness, delivery capabilities including human resources and regulatory prescriptions. The four broad classifications of business process structure are horizontally oriented model, vertically oriented model, predominantly vertically organized model, and predominantly horizontally organized model. The business strategies with regard to domains are classified into three approaches. First one is segmented approach, that is classified based on business potential. Second one is geography based approach, that is retail models based on geographics. Third one is classification based approach, that is based on the type of branch like rural, urban, semi-urban, metro, etc. Liability products are offered under savings account, current accounts and term deposit accounts. Client base is high, so risks are low. Follows business to customer approach. The horizontal or vertical model depends on the level of customer information available in a single platform in the database side for offering multiple products or services across assets, liabilities, and services. The horizontally organized model is a modular structure using various process models in a modular structure using various process models for end-to-end product-wise solutions. The vertically organized model provides functionality across products with customer database orientation and centralized customer data is used across product. The predominantly horizontally organized model is mostly product oriented with common customer information for some products. The predominantly vertically organized model, common information is available for most of the products. Most public sector banks use the horizontally organized model. New private sector banks generally follow a vertically organized model. The basic structure of retail banking constitutes retail liability products, retail asset products, and other products and services. Product development methods in retail banking are in-house product development, hybrid cross-pollination, and replicating. In-house product development involves developing their product through research and market dynamics. Hybrid cross-pollination involves adding value to the best features of already existing products. Replicating involves retail banking product development based on consumer sentiments and prevailing market trends. Prior to liberalization, banking was called 464 business. It implies borrowing at 4%, lending at 6%, and going home at 4%.